Hey guys, this is Martin for Tech Look Pool, and I'm bringing you an unboxing of this. This is actually not a tech-related product, but it's something that is close to heart because it's a product that is trying to make us all a little bit more eco-conscious. It's called Memobottle, and it comes in this beautiful packaging. And yeah, the name already does suggest that this is a bottle, in fact. But hey, look at that. It's a slim one. So let's take a look at what is inside. Slides open like this. Comes in a beautiful, beautiful little packaging, all black, matte finish. On the packaging it says, where was it? There it is. Designed in Melbourne, Australia, and made in China. This is the front, and this is the back. So on the back it says, "We are Memobottle, a creative initiative based out of Melbourne, Australia, working passionately to create the balance between environmental sustainability and improved life convenience." So that's sort of the gist of what these guys are trying to do. Is they're trying to create a product that you keep for a really long time, and as a result you don't use a lot of single use or just short-term use products. Doesn't want to open. I guess that's always the struggle with these packages. Oh, okay. Well, it doesn't want to open because I didn't cut it open yet, huh? All right. Let me do that. One side and the other side. Should have brought a nice knife for this, because this is such a beautiful package. Let me see if I can just unstick the sticker. Yeah, let me do that. At least I'll have a little bit of time to just watch me struggle with this. I think it's entertaining in itself, right? It's part of the deal. So let me just tell you more about this product. I already have one, okay? I already bought one myself and I loved it. And these guys, they got in touch and they were like, hey, so how about you unbox one for your channel, you know? And I said, well, you know what? Yeah, let me do that. Because the first time around, I didn't get a chance to do it on the camera because I just, you know, kind of was in the moment of just unboxing it myself for my personal use. And I just did it very quickly, and I didn't think of like maybe presenting it to people out there, you know? Aha. All right. So I have the sticker off. I'll just put it somewhere here. There we go. All right, so let me open it and look at that. That is one gorgeous presentation. And there's a little bit of documentation there written. So they tell you about their journey. They tell you how to clean it. They tell you how you can personalize it. Also, it's BPA free Triton. The capacity of this is half a liter, almost 450 milliliters. It gives you the dimensions, and it's good for both hot and cold liquids. And I'll just take it out of the foam, and wow, this is such a high quality product. It has this gorgeous, what do you call this? I don't know. Top thingy. I don't have the word for this. Made out of metal. It's really durable, and it's just beautiful, truly beautiful. Now, the best thing about these is that, okay, first of all, they're super slim, okay? So you can really put it anywhere in your bag, with your laptop, with your iPad, you can carry it easily in your hand. Second of all, customization, like, how would you personalize this? How would you customize it? And the most obvious way is with a sleeve. So the one I have, I should show you, but no, I'll keep it for a different video. The one I have is the size of a book, so it's a little bit wider, same thickness, so very, very slim. It actually comes, the one I have, with two different types of these covers at the top. And I got a beautiful leather sleeve. So you put the sleeve on top of it. Has a little rubber thing that goes around the neck so that it doesn't slide off of it. And now they have some more ones, not just from leather, but if you're, you know, let's say vegan, then you might go for a silicone one. So this has been an unboxing of the Memobottle. This particular size, it's called the Slim, but they also go with basically like book sizes, so A5, A6, and so on. Go check out their website. All right, guys. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.